about constructor, right? Guys. Yeah. In C++, like when you make class, they like convert the for constructor and just constructor defined by users. The for constructor, you don't need to do anything. When you make a class, they're gonna be made by compiler. The for automatically. That is the for constructor. But you can also assign your also in the for constructor, there is no parameter. Also, yeah. Also, you can assign the for you can assign your constructor by yourself, like by passing any value, like functions, but it's not functions, just constructor. So constructor. And also you can make you can call constructor by also constructor, the name of the constructor should be must be the same name as the name of the class. That's important. Yeah. If your class name is car, your constructor name must be so car. Also, if you scroll down, you will see there is it's actually it's better to show by Zoom, right? Let's show like this. Okay, this one is the for constructor and this one is the constructor defined by user. So if you call A1, there is no parameter, right? So this is gonna be the for constructor. This is gonna call the for constructor. And this A2, passing parameter 10, so it's gonna call this constructor. So there is also method by calling the method and function from the class, you can also get the value of that object. So also object is made by constructor. First, to make object, you have to write the name of the constructor and the object name, and you can make object. Also, there is a case that you already define constructor by yourself, you already pass the value to the constructor, and you already make constructor by yourself. So there will be the for constructor anymore. So if you call the for constructor, it's gonna be error. So every time you make new object by calling constructor, and okay, this is just the code that constructor is being called. So it's gonna be it's called. If you create a one object, so this one is gonna bring out A2 object. This gonna bring out A1 get 2, and you're gonna get the value from A1 and A2. Okay, you're gonna pass. Okay, here there is value. There is no constructor, right? So it's gonna be the for constructor. So if you try to get the A1 here, you will get this 32767 value. This value is because this gonna be local variable, so the value is gonna return 36767. Actually, this value is just garbage, not the real value. It's just any value for the memory. and then when you call A2, A2 is the global variable. So if you didn't initialize global variable, it's gonna give like 0. So when you call A2, then so you will get 0. Also, you can call in this line. You can call constructor in different ways. First, the first one is the for, and second one is what is second one? Second one you can also call that second one, and also number 3, number 4, yeah, different methods to call constructor. And 소묘자 destructor. So when you call up this one, like when you call the constructor, you also call this one gonna destroy return, release the constructor we call. So in code you can see after A1 don't get P, A2 don't get P, after this call, this destructor is P in code. So then the 2 lines of code in implement. Also this means that the address, it returns the address of the object. So if you put this inside of that object, it returns. That means that okay, when you create a one object, that this means that that object is in that memory address, and also there you can also see the object is in that memory address. If you didn't make any destructor in your class, they're gonna be copy paste and combine the forms destructor, so you're gonna make it as written. It's gonna call the forms destructor. Also, there's like one important thing that in one dynamic memory access. But for dynamic memory access, you must return the strata is like necessary to return the dynamic memory address. If this is not dynamic, it's not necessary or not essential. But if it's dynamic, this strata is really important. You need to delete that. Also, there's like chogiwa. This is initialization. You can initialize by like P, just like inside the bracket. You can just write not equal to P equal to V. You can just write P V. When you initialize them. Also, in constant. Also, you cannot initialize. Like you cannot. First, you cannot initialize the constant number variable, and then add the value, and then like as shown in the picture, you have to just assign the value and initialize at the same time for constant variable, unless it's gonna be combined error. Also, class member and instant member, they can have the same name. Yeah, you don't make a type of it, so it can be the same name. Also, when you pass your reference into your constructor, you must do that to your visitor, like list initialization, like Guahu X, like this. Yeah. Also typically we also see also local variables are stored in a stack, like main functions. The variables inside the main functions they are stored in stack, and the local and static variables they are stored in heap. Okay, when you scroll down, other things. Also there is object copy constraint. You can also copy constraint. Yeah, also push stuff. Yeah, you can also copy constraint by passing in the object as shown in the picture, like constant A, like reference. How to call that symbol? Object. By passing the object to the constructor, you can copy a new constructor.